In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Claude Code into a React application. By following these steps, you will create a React app, set up Axios for API calls, and utilize Claude Code to generate code snippets dynamically within your application. Begin by opening your terminal in Visual Studio Code. To create a new React app, type the command npx create React app Claude React and press enter. This command initiates the process of setting up your React application. Once the setup is complete, navigate into the newly created directory by entering cd Claude React. You should see your terminal prompt change to indicate you are now within the Claude React directory. Next, you need to install Axios, which will help facilitate API calls to Claude Code. In the terminal, type npm install Axios and enter this command downloads and installs the Axios library, allowing you to make HTTP requests. Once the installation finishes, you can proceed to the next step. For the next step, install the Claude Code command line interface by entering m-interfam and install. This command installs the CLI globally on your machine. After the installation is complete, log in using your API key by typing Claude login and pressing enter. You will be prompted to enter your Claude Code API key. Ensure that you have this key available, as it is essential for accessing the API. Now, create a utility file for interacting with the Claude API. In the CSN folder of your React app, create a new file named Claude.js. Open this file and import Axios by adding import Axios from Axios. Next, replace the placeholder your_Cloud_API_API key with your actual Claude Code API key. In this file, define an asynchronous function named generateCode that takes a prompt as an argument. This function constructs the API request, including the necessary headers and payload. Handle the response properly, ensuring that any errors are logged to the console. After setting up the utility, you will integrate it into your React component. Open srt/app.js and import the generate code function from Claude.js. In the app component, set up state variables for the prompt and the result using the uState hook. Create an asynchronous function called handle_generate that calls generate code with the current prompt and updates the result state with the generated code. Design the component's return statement to include an input field for the prompt and a button that triggers the code generation when clicked. Display the generated code in a pre-formatted text block below the button. Finally, to run your application, return to the terminal and enter npm start. This command launches the React app, which you can access by opening your web browser and navigating to http://localhost 3000. In the application, type a prompt, such as create a React button component, but change its color on click, and click the generate code button. Claude will process the request and display the generated code right in your browser. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.